all done. Yeah. What about that? Now, you tell me that doesn't sit next to a Ferrari and a Nissan GTR. Cracking a little bit. Got a little brush, little spade on the back, little pop down, shoe. You'll see your working brushes and your wheels as you go along. Yeah. I think you've got one of the biggest bananas in the world that go in the little bin there. And then we've got your driver. It's got to be Charlie, hasn't it? Got to be Charlie. And I'm presuming he's going to go in here. So let's have a look. Go on, lad. Not that easily. That's it. And there he is. Off he goes. Love it. Absolutely love it. Spares wise, still quite generous. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spares for a tiny little kit like this with 84 pieces. So yeah, I think they'll stay in the spares bag. But there you go. 602.49. I love it. It's always something different with Lego, and this is the one for me. So I'll put that next to the F8 Tributo. Alright, see ya. Let's build.